Hey y'all, long time no see. Today I'm going to do a grocery haul with you. It's been a long time. Today we're going to be sharing a grocery haul with y'all. We spent like $200 and something.
You don't even look like that.
I know, y'all, groceries are so high. We're gonna flip the camera around and show you everything that we got. Hey y'all, starting out here first.
We got a hyper tough 3-tier wire shelf.
These are really good. I have some of these in my pantry. I'm gonna put this in my closet.
Okay, then we got Sherman toilet paper. Toaster strudels, the best one. Garlic Texas toast. The Texas Roadhouse rolls because they're so good. We got some cinnamon rolls. We got a white cran strawberry cranberry juice, and then a cran watermelon because everybody in the house loves cranberry juice. And we got 2 bags of hash browns.
I'm gonna make a recipe with that.
Yep. 2 of these buttermilk biscuits because I make these so much. They're so good. We got some pure cane sugar because my dad likes this in his coffee. Traditional Prego, probably for spaghetti that I won't eat. Buttermilk ranch, the best. We have butter bread. This is the only bread we use. We have russet potatoes. Oh, that's nothing. Oh, sorry, guys. Sour cream. Velveeta slices because they're so good. Orchid Rose Bliss. So,
Adrian said y'all needed soap in your bathroom, so.
And this right here is Mesopresola Magnesium. Degree deodorant. Iron pills because everybody in this house is low iron apparently. Lavender, Dr. Teal's bath
I love that stuff, y'all.
Sharpies because mom sniffed them all.
No.
Q-tips. Q-tips.
Okay.
The phone is not in it.
Okay.
Mini wheat something or another.
Don't tap too much. Someone told me once they didn't like when you tap.
We can move on. Chocolate frosted donuts and cinnamon sugar donuts because Adrian eats these
He'll eat them in
vitamins,
like 5 minutes.
Okay, so this is some Velveeta shelled cheese because this is the only one I will eat. I do not like certain mac and cheese unless it's this.
She's gotten picky as she gets older.
Yeah. And then Cheez-It snack mix because this is just wonderful. Starbucks cold brew black and sweet. Peyton, mom, they both use this and then just put creamer and all kinds of stuff in it. I don't use it. I use espresso. Caramel almond and sea salt. These taste like the Kind bars, y'all. The ones that are like $12 a box.
These those are so good.
So good. Oh shoot. Great value plates because mom uses these so much.
I don't like to do dishes, so
yeah.
It's one less thing I have to wash.
Harvest cheddar sun chips because I'll eat these the whole entire bag in one night. All dressed Lay's. I don't know. It's some type of barbecue.
No, I don't know how to explain it, but
ranch,
my husband
liquor. I don't know what that is.
I don't know. In Canada, there was a brand of all dressed chips that he likes, and so I'm trying these to see if they're similar. Because you can't get them here.
Nacho cheese Doritos because of course, we got party size because everybody in the house likes this. Dill pickle Lay's and Takis, of course. We got country fried steaks
for an easy meal.
These are so good. And then chicken fries, we literally go through, I don't even know how many bags.
We eat those a lot on the weekend for lunch.
They're so good, y'all. If y'all need, your kids are always eating. There you go. Cinnamon Toast Crunch. We got, this is just as good as the Chips Ahoy's.
Yes, and cheaper.
And cheaper. They're really good. Especially with some milk. Cinnamon French Toast Sticks. I've also had these before. They're pretty good. And then the best monster of all kind.
Which
Zero Sugar Original.
Every now and then. Y'all look, I got a lot of eggs, but it's been raining, so they're dirty. But hey, you wash them off, they're just fine. Look at all the different colors. Just ignore the mud.
It's the grocery haul. Don't show me.
Okay, she didn't want to be shown. So anyways, that was just kind of a quick grocery haul. I'm going to try to get back. I know, it went quick. I'm going to try to get back to making what's for dinner videos. I have some ideas, so I'm going to try to get back into it. I know I say it all the time, and then I fall off the wagon. So we'll see if I can stay with it. Thank y'all for watching.